always ask me about my lash extensions, but the secret is I do them myself. Lash extensions are so expensive these days, and with the cost of living, I had to find another way. I use this Lash Ease kit from Magnex Lashes, and I'm going to show you exactly what I do. The first step is to have completely clean lashes, and we're going to apply the bond. Don't use this like you would mascara, just focus it on the root and brush slightly up. Then I grab my cluster. I start with the longest length on the outer corner and go shorter as I go in. With these lashes, you apply them under your natural lashes. I leave a little bit of a gap between the base of my lashes and the cluster. As you continue along the eye, slightly overlap the clusters. This just gives it a more seamless look. Once you have applied all of the lashes, use clean tweezers and pinch your lashes to bond them together. Then we go in with the sealant, lightly coat the lashes, and one more pinch together and you're all done. Look at the difference between my eyes. And I did these completely by myself. This is the final result of the lashes. It takes me 10 minutes every 10 days, and it is half the price of one full set of lashes.